Hello, Megan here. I'm going to talk a bit about blood sugar balance and how it can help you and why it's so important for reducing inflammation, weight management, productivity, your energy levels. This can all be done through balancing your blood sugar starting in the morning. So this is the first nutrition intervention that we can try out, and I just want to preface this by saying that everyone's body and unique diet will be different for them. So this is just something to try and monitor your symptoms as you move through this to see if it's right for you. So for example, if you're feeling particularly lightheaded or dizziness or anything like that after starting this protocol that I'm about to explain, then it's not right for you. So for balancing blood sugar, we want to do this through something called carb backloading. And so our cortisol is highest in the morning, which is our stress hormone. And when our cortisol is high, our insulin response to food is also most sensitive. And so most people, if they're having carb heavy foods in the morning or something with sugar, we get a big spike in blood sugar. And that's why, by 10 a.m. you need another coffee and a muffin or something like that, because that is the crash. And after your coffee and a muffin, you get another big spike, and then you crash around lunchtime and you eat again, and we're kind of riding this blood sugar roller coaster all day long. And so a way that we can manage this starting in the morning is by removing the carbs. So we want to focus on protein and fat-based foods in the morning, and this will help to stabilize blood sugar straight away, which will help to reduce cravings later on and manage your energy level for the entire day. So protein and fat-based foods in the beginning portion of the day, and then you can add your carbs in at night. So this is carb backloading. So the thing that I hear most from people that are trying super low carb diets or very carb restricted diets are that their sleep begins to suffer. And when your sleep suffers, everything else is out of whack. Your sleep regulates your stress hormones, regulates your hunger hormones. So sleep is king / queen whenever we are following any sort of protocol. And if your sleep starts to suffer, that's also not the right diet for you. So by having our carbohydrate with dinner, we are releasing serotonin and melatonin in the brain. So that's why you might notice if you have a carb heavy lunch, you're tired by 3. But if you have carbs at dinner, and it doesn't need to be a whole ton, but like still your healthy carbs like sweet potato or something like that, or that's when you can have nights out, pasta dinners, things like that are not going to completely throw you off track. They actually make you tired when you're supposed to be getting tired. So you have carbs with your dinner, you get tired a few hours later when you're supposed to be winding down for bed. So everything kind of works the way it should as it pertains to hormones and blood sugar. So this is the first thing that you can start to try. I'll send more information about it as well, and if you have any questions, just let me know. But this is something that has worked for a lot of my clients, works for me personally, and hope it works for you.